If you're looking to add some serious power to your bike, then you're probably tired of sluggish rides and want something that really gets you moving. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. MRELC Heavy Duty Chain. The MRELC 415H 110L chain, priced at $18.99. What caught my attention here is its heavy-duty build, designed specifically for 49cc to 80cc engines. If you want reliable performance under load, this is worth a serious look. This chain can handle a massive load capacity of 1500 lbf, which means you can trust it during those high-speed rides without worrying about failure. It's compatible with many Chinese brands and even some Honda dirt bikes, making it a versatile choice for your motorized bicycle. Plus, it comes with a chain breaker and connectors, so you're set right out of the box. Now, some people had issues with the fit not being perfect for every bike, especially older models. Here's the thing though, as long as you double-check compatibility, it's a small price to pay for the durability and ease of installation. This is perfect for you if you're building or upgrading a motorized bike and need a dependable chain. Skip this one if you're looking for something for casual rides without any heavy-duty needs. For its price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the MRELC chain's fit issues worried you, this next one might have a more universal application. Product number 2. Yoxifa Throttle Cable Assembly. The Yoxifa Throttle Cable Twist Throttle Handle Assembly, priced at $11.99. This caught my eye due to its ergonomic design and compatibility with various 49cc to 100cc engines. If you want a smoother ride with better throttle response, this is definitely worth considering. The throttle grip fits perfectly on 7/8-inch handlebars, which is standard for most bikes, and the total cable length of about 35.4 inches gives you ample room for adjustments. The material is durable and corrosion resistant, which means it can handle the wear and tear of regular use. Plus, with a complete package including a throttle kill switch, you're getting everything you need right there. However, some users mentioned that the grip can feel a bit too soft, leading to a less solid feel during rides. But let me be honest, for most people, that slight discomfort doesn't outweigh the ease of installation and functionality you get. This is perfect for you if you're looking to replace a worn-out throttle or just want a more responsive grip. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with DIY installation. For the price, it's a steal for better ride control. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for performance. Product number 3. JRL 2-stroke carburetor. We have the JRL 49cc to 80cc carburetor, available for $11.99. This little piece of engineering really stood out to me because of its compatibility with multiple engine sizes. If you're looking to boost your bike's performance, you should definitely take a closer look at this. This carburetor is designed for 49cc to 80cc engines and can be used not just on bicycles, but scooters and even skateboards. That opens up a lot of possibilities if you're into DIY projects. The low-profile design helps in fitting snugly, which is essential for preventing air leaks and ensuring optimal fuel delivery. Given that it's already been bought by over 50 people this month, it's clear that many are finding value in it. Now, some users reported difficulty in tuning it to their specific engine setups. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to spend a little time on adjustments, the performance increase you'll experience is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're ready to enhance your bike's performance and don't mind a little tinkering. Skip this if you want a completely plug-and-play solution. Overall, for the price, you're getting a great carburetor that can elevate your ride. Now, if tuning isn't your thing, this next product might be more your speed. Product number 4. HXG XKBQ Performance Exhaust. The HXG XKBQ Performance Exhaust Muffler retailing at $33.99. I was intrigued by its dual-chamber design aimed at reducing noise while improving power output. If you want your bike to run smoother and sound better, this exhaust deserves a spot on your radar. This exhaust fits 49cc to 100cc engines and significantly reduces noise while still allowing for effective exhaust gas release. The flexible design adds an extra layer of safety as it can move instead of risking damage to the engine mounts. Installing this could really amp up your bike's performance while keeping it relatively quiet on the road. However, some users found it a bit too loud for their liking, especially without a muffler attachment. But I'll be real with you, if you're going for performance, this is a compromise many are willing to make. This is perfect for you if you're all about maximizing engine efficiency and don't mind a more aggressive sound. Skip this if you prefer a quieter ride. For performance enthusiasts, this is a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for something that tackles the fuel side of things, this next product will catch your attention. Number 5. Tim's Metal Fuel Tank. We have the Tim's 4L Metal Fuel Tank priced at $32.99. I found this tank impressive for its large 4-liter capacity and sturdy design. If you want to ensure you have enough fuel for longer rides, this is worth a look. The tank is compatible with 49cc to 80cc engines and has a robust build that minimizes the chances of leaks. With its efficient fuel supply system, you can expect stable and even power output, which is crucial for those longer trips. Plus, its well-designed sealing means you can ride through different terrains without worrying about fuel spills. Some users did mention that it can be a bit tricky to install if you're not familiar with this setup, but here's the thing. Once you get it on, the peace of mind knowing you have ample fuel is unbeatable. This is perfect for you if you're planning longer rides and don't want to stop for fuel constantly. Skip this if you're only doing short trips. For its price and capacity, it's a great buy. Now, let's wrap this up with a quick comparison of all these products. So, to recap, we had the MRELC heavy-duty chain for durability, Yokosuka throttle assembly for comfort, JRL carburetor for performance, HXGX KBQ exhaust for sound and efficiency, and the Tim's fuel tank for capacity. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the JRL carburetor because it really boosts performance for a low price. I recommend avoiding the HXGX KBQ if noise is a concern for you, as it might be too loud.